Hi, I'm Jack Garber, and I'm inviting you to discover this exceptional income-producing compound at 16 Riverview Terrace in desirable Hampton, New Hampshire. Come take a look. Hampton Beach is an established seasonal coastal vacation rental market in New Hampshire Seacoast region. It draws strong summer tourism, roughly 1 million visitors annually to the beach from New England families, Boston Metro day trippers, weekenders, and leisure travelers. AirDNA shows the average annual occupancy of 55%. Average nightly rents are $325. The outlook for the market is stable rather than explosive. Summer 2026 pacing appears solid for well-prepared properties. Opportunities exist for investors who target high-quality beach access assets, use data-driven pricing, and manage costs tightly. The Hampton Beach Casino is slated for a remodel with 99 luxury condominiums with shoreline access and 208 beautiful luxury hotel units. Overall, the cost is $400 to $600 million and is expected to raise the value of all Hampton Beach properties as a result of additional tourism and more local sales.